Hi. Ura. Spaghetti. Spaghetti for the baby. You got something on your chest there. What does that mean?
Oh, so yum yum!
Hey.
Is that a bad plan?
Hey, I'm gonna get spaghetti sauce in my face.
That's a bad plan. Come on. Go. My Hannah. Ooh.
Oh, you missed it.
Wow. Which one's for Hannah? Oh, it's so nummy. Oh, banana. Oh, banana. Oh, you just interested. That's beautiful. A bit. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh.
Do it again.
1, 2, 3. No touchdown. Banana. Whoa. Jackie got your spaghetti. Who knew? Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of spaghetti. Put it in your mouth. Get it all in your mouth. Oh, that's a good one. Look at you. Mmm.
No. Nah.
Hey, Teddy.
I cleaned your hand. Oh.
Oh.
Yummy. Yummy. Good job. In your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
Your feeties.
In your mouth.
Jackie. Oh.
Ah. You missed.
You gotta slurp it in, kids. Slurp it in.
Don't rub it inside the chair. Eat it off your chest. That sounds good. In your mouth. In your mouth. Yeah.
I know, this is bad. Now we're just playing. I can't help it.
In your mouth.
In your mouth. Good girl. Good job, Banana. Good eating. I like your bracelet too. Look at that pretty bracelet. In your mouth. Ah, la, 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 la.
There you go. Good job. Spaghetti's not really finger food.
Well, for her,
It's a whole lot of fun.
it's a learning experience. Can you say bye-bye?
Experience and textures.
Can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Where's everybody going? Bye-bye. Just in case you thought she was just cute all the time. She's very sad because I won't hold her all the time. Oh, banana.